Hello everyone, welcome back. In continuation with numeric data types, today we'll be walking with the built-in functions of integers and what are the available functions on integers we'll be checking in this video. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. Coming to the built-in numeric tools, there are three different types of built-in numeric tools. Like if you want to perform some mathematical operations or converting from one numeric system to another numeric system, or if you want to use some mathematical tools, like if you know, like using some trigonometric tools or logarithmic tools, or knowing some mean, some mode, statistical tools, these all will be, we are going to use these all as our mathematical weapons to perform some methodologies or some functions on the numeric data types. So basically Python provides three different data types. One is expression operators. Expression operators means, as previously we discussed it, right, like arithmetic operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. This all comes under expression operators. Means if you are going to solve a number, means if you want to know some 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 545, some expression, right? If you want to know some that answer, this is the help of expression operators we are going to write these all things, and we are going to solve the mathematical expressions. So coming to next, built-in mathematical functions. Built-in mathematical functions in Python are, one is power, POW. If you want to know some power of some number to some number, we are going to get. Next one is absolute value. Next is round, integer, hex, binary, etc. These are different types of built-in numeric. Next one, utility modules. Using some other packages, we are going to import different types of mathematical tools. Math is a famous library which is found in C, Java and Python, whatnot. Every language will be having the math package. Under math package, we will be having several mathematical operations. If you want to use trigonometric, logarithmic, algebraic or statistical or probabilistic, maybe anything which is related to some mathematics, we are going to adapt those functions and make some operations on the integer data types. Let us see, like, how do we perform built-in numeric tools, how do we use them. Here we don't discuss about operators because already we were much familiar about expression operators, right? But here I want to tell some powerful tool, that is eval. Let us see how do we get to use that. Let me take a string which is like 1 plus 2 into some 3 plus 4, 3 minus 4. Let me take floor division of 23. This is my string actually. Now I want to solve this string using a single line code in Python. So what I will be doing is eval. Eval is my function where I need to pass a string here. Eval of string. I'm going to get directly the answer. What is exactly value of the string? Let me try another, like a simple one now. 1 plus 2 plus 4 divided by some 2. Let us take a small eval this string. I'm going to get 5.0 as my output of this expression. So this is one of the powerful tool. Instead of using some operators, you can use eval as your function. And coming to built-in mathematical functions, one is power, one is ABS. Power we already discussed using 2 star marks in operators, right? Now let us take what is ABS actually. ABS actually is nothing but the modulus value. For example, some n is equals to 2, I am declaring some ABS of 2. What we are going to get? I am going to get 2. For example, I am going to take m is equals to some minus 2. I want to know what is the absolute value of m now. Let us check what is the absolute value of m. It is still 2 because we are going to get absolute value. Absolute value means we are going to calculate the magnitude actually, not the signs. So what that is the function of absolute, ABS. And round function. For example, Let me take some n is equals to 1 divided by 3. What is n? It is nothing but 0.33333 and so on, right? Now I want to round this number up to 2 decimals. What I will be doing is round off. I'm passing n up to how many decimals you want to round it. Up to the first decimal it is 0.3, or if you want to round it up to some 2 decimals, you just specify 2, it is 0.33, or some round off some 5 digits this time, it is going to give 0.33333. So this is the use of round, means up to how many numbers you are going to round a number, those many digits will be available in your answers and remaining will be truncated. Till now we have discussed like what is the round function, a absolute function, right? Now what are these hex, binary, what are these data types? Let us see. If I want to know what is the binary value of some value 9, it is 0b1001. Here if you observe the last 4 bits, they are nothing but the binary representation of 9. For example, let us take some binary representation of 10 now. It is nothing but 1010. If you cross check with the binary number representation of 10, it is 1010. Similarly, if you want to know what exactly a number 15 is represented in hex, it is nothing but f. Actually f is represented as 15. So these are the functions, inbuilt mathematical functions on numerical tools, like how you get some powers, absolute values, something like that. And using external modules, if you want to import math library now, and from math library you will be having different types of things. Actually, let us check. See here, coming to math directory, you will be having different types of functions. See here, like you have tan, in hyperbolic tan, and if you see square root, sine, hyperbolic sine, log to the base 2. And if you want to know what is the permutation, sperm, what is the pi value, what is the power value, what are the radians, what is this GCD, what is the LCM, what is the inverse square root, what is floor division, what is the inverse tan. So these are the different types of mathematical things we are going to have. Let us check a few of the things now. Here I want to know like what is the sine value. Math dot sine of some 90, I'm going to pass. It is 0.83999, which is actually 90 is radians here. So if you want to specify some of them in types of degrees, what is sine 90 value? Then sine 90 value is nothing but 1, right? Like sine value becomes 1 at 90. Keep subscribing us, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.